Looks like a beautiful day in Plattsmouth. Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Looking for recipes to share, and if you're like me, you like quick and easy and you buy stuff when it's on sale. Well, this recipe is absolutely quick and easy and you can make it with your kids. We're talking, it's called chili cheese Frito pie casserole. 3 ingredients: Fritos, or if you don't like Fritos, you can, your tortilla chips of choice. Chili with beans, if you want beans. I have one with and one without. And then your favorite meltable cheese. So I've got the oven cranked on 350 degrees, and you take a 9x13 pan and you spray it. When I say simple and easy, this is simple and easy. Well, simple means easy, so yeah. So to that, we're going to add the Fritos, but I'm gonna mix my cans together of the chili. Now, if you have leftover chili, if you have leftover chili, when it's chili season, this would be a great one for leftovers, if you have leftover chili. I've made something like this similar to this, but the reason I'm mixing these together is it'll help it spread just a little bit better. Maybe, maybe not. You can tell which one has the beans. All right. Okay. This assembles really quick. It calls for 1 bag of Fritos. I bought 2 just because you just never know if you want to add more. So you just kind of cover the bottom of your pan. Okay, and then you just kind of layer it. You just kind of add the chili to that. And a spatula works best to kind of spread it. I mean, seriously, friends, this is like one of the most simplest. Now, you could use this as a dip if you want to as well. You set your oven at 350, and you're only going to cook it till your cheese melts, which is about 15 to 20 minutes. And if you want to half the recipe, this is something too that you can make in your air fryer. All right, okay. So we're gonna kind of spread that around. You don't cover it, you just put it in there. So to that, we're just gonna add the rest of the chips. On top of there. And then you add your cheese. And it's 2 cups of shredded cheese. Now if you'd like to add other things to it, you can sure add, oh my gosh, you can add jalapenos, you can add anything you want to garnish. And we just put that on there. Spread that around. I'm going to open up my other bag of chips, well, but just because I might want something to snack on later. But that's all there is to it. Then you bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Like it says there, you can top with green onions, jalapenos, parsley, no, I think, and then sour cream. It's something quick and easy, and if you're looking for something that you could take to a barbecue as a dip, or if you want to just make it in the oven, something to give it a try. And if you have leftover chili, when it's chili soup season, perfect recipe. I'm going to share this recipe on our website later on today. I'm going to put this in the oven and hopefully give it a show at the end of the show. So welcome back. Are you ready for this? The finished chili cheese Frito pie casserole is right here. This recipe will be on our website at nebraska.tv sometime later on this morning. Guys, thank you for making this the best hour of my day. Have a great day, everybody. I'll chat at you tomorrow.